How's everybody doing? Welcome to Math with Cowboy J. I'm Cowboy J, doing math the fun and easy way. Let's get into it. Today is how to identify a prime or composite number. Prime number has only one factor pair, and it has only one factor pair, itself and 1. 3 is a prime number because the only way you can get 3 is 3 times 1. 5 is a prime number because the only way you can get 5 is 5 times 1. All right? Give me a thumbs up if you understand that. All right. Let's get into it. First up, we got 2 songs we need to learn. We got a prime time song and a composite song. So you can learn the songs and sing along. First, the prime number rap. I'm prime time, I'm one of a kind. I only give one number some of my shine, and that's 1. Now you sing it. Great job, great job. I heard everybody. Composite number rap. I'm a composite. As you can see, it takes 2 or more factor pairs to produce me. Now you say it. All right, great job, great job, great job, great job. Okay, so let's get into how to identify a prime and composite number. I'm gonna do a little something like this. Cowboy J, keep a little something for you to make it easy. Don't tell your teachers. Don't tell your teachers. Don't tell your teachers. How to identify a prime or composite number. Step 1. Underline the number in the ones place. 73, that would be the 3. 76, that would be the 6. 62, that would be the 2. Use your cheat code to find the composite number. I'm going to give you a cheat code, but don't tell your teachers. Don't tell your teachers. Don't tell your teachers. Here is the cheat code for prime and composite. Code number 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are the first prime numbers, so don't ever forget us. So don't ever forget us. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are the first prime numbers, so don't ever forget us. The second cheat code, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, all even numbers share 2 to be great. So if it's an even number in the ones place that shares 2, that makes it a composite. Makes it a composite. Next cheat code, 0 and 5 both share 5 to stay alive. Again, that right there makes any number with a 0 or 5 in the ones place, makes it a composite. We always look in the ones place. Next on the cheat code, all doubles go to heaven, all double numbers share 11. So if it's a double number, 77, 33, 44, all double numbers share 11. So those are your quick ways to find it. And then if that don't work, we got to go to our last one. And notice these are all our prime numbers. 2, 5, 11, 3. So for this one, add both numbers so you can see if that number is a multiple of 3. So we want to see if this number can be created by multiplying 3 times another number. And again, we'll have examples for all these. Now, the only number that doesn't fit in our cheat code is 91. 91 doesn't fit the code, but it's a multiple of 7, you have been told. So I'm telling you, 91 is a multiple of 7, which means 91 is a composite. So let's get into some examples on how to do this using our code right there. Let's get a new one. That one doesn't work. Let's get a new one. Let's get a new one. There we go. Let's get a new one and clean this off. Dry it off. All right, let's do some samples and examples. So, example, if we have the number 82, we underline the 2. We see that 2 is an even number. So if someone asks you, how do you know it's a composite? You go 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That tells people that you know why this is a composite. 75. I underline the 5 in the ones place. Oh, I see a 5. It's a composite. Why? 0 and 5 both share 5 to stay alive. So I call it a composite and I prove it's a composite. 33 is a composite. Why? It's a what? Double number. All double numbers share what? 11. So there go your proof. All right. So our proof for this one is that it shares 2. Our proof here is that it shares 5, 11, and now we have 73. Look. Sorry about that. We have 73. Underline. So it's not an even numbers. 2, 4 doesn't fall here. It's not a 0 or a 5, so it doesn't fall here. It's not a double number, so it doesn't fall under the 11 category, so it falls under 3. So what do? We take 7 plus 3. We get 10, and then we write 3 times, and then we do our 3 time table to see if something times 3 gives us 10. 3 times 1, 3, that's correct. 3 times 2, 6, that is correct. 3 times 3, 9, that is correct. 3 times 4, 12. Well, 12 is bigger than 10, and we never said 10, so we put a no, which means nothing times 3 gives us 10, which makes this a prime number. And the only other one we didn't use was 7 because it shares 91, okay? Here's your problem to try. What's my step? You said underline the 8 in the ones place. You would be correct. Is it prime or composite? If you said composite, you would be correct. Now, what is the reason? How do you know? That is correct. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 all share 2 to be great, which makes it a composite. Great job. What about this one? 45. What number do I underline? That is correct. The 5, because it's in the ones place. Is it a prime or a composite? That is correct. It is a composite. Can anybody tell me why? If you said 0 and 5, both share 5 to stay alive, you are correct. Next one. We underline the 7 in the ones place. 2 7s, you want the 1 in the ones place. Is it a prime or a composite? If you say composite, you will be correct. Tell me why. If you say because it's a double number, you would be correct. That makes it a composite. What about 83? All right. It's not 2, 4, 6, 8. It's not 0 and 5. It's not a double number. So we're going to go with what? That's right. We're going to take 8 plus 3. That gives us 11. And we're going to take 3 times something to see if we get 11. So we did this before. 3 times 1 is what? 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. And 3 times 4 is 12. So we went past 11. So nothing. Boom. That makes it a prime number. And our last example, 69. Again, it's not a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It's not a 5. It's not a double number. So we're going to add 6 plus 9. That gives us 15. We're going to take 3 times. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. Oh, we said the number right here, 15. Which means 69 is a composite. And before we go, let's go with 7. Is 7 a prime or a composite? 7 is a prime. Why? Because it's an AWP. Always prime. All right. That's it for today. Don't forget to play your card flip game. Get yourself a deck of cards. Take out the 10, Jack, King, Queen, and Joker. Use the ace as a 1 and use the numbers 2 through 9. Put them face down, flip them over, and see how fast you can multiply. Until next time, it's been Cowboy J, doing math the fun, the easy way. Peace.